Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button and volume up button. Hold both of them together. Let me do it one more time. And just keep holding till your device is rebooted. And once you see the logo, you can release the buttons and wait till it's rebooted. Then you will be able to use your phone in a normal way. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.